So this is the back side of Iceland. The seaplane. Yeah, very beautiful scene. From ferry, the seaplane. Oh, that's wow, amazing. Just see live seaplane how it's landing. Just really amazing sceneries. From here I show you now. See, from here we are almost arriving. See from here. It was really amazing experience to have this small journey through ferry. I hope you will like, and I request all of you to please share, subscribe. Maximum this video reach to everyone, so they will also have this amazing experience. So we are arriving now on the beautiful harbor. Yeah, see, beautiful from here. Moving in slow motion, you see the beauty of this city from here. Wow, amazing. It's a moving now. Wow, brother and sister, let you see the amazing sceneries of moving this beautiful ferry. Salou. Most people know, alright. Just going back to my car. Thank you for watching. I hope you will just subscribe my channels. See how it's reaching. Yeah, just now arrived. Wow, almost. So this is the inside view. Let you see the amazing sceneries of this yacht going very fast to the Iceland. Just slow motion, you see the beauty of this from the ferry. Let you see, brother and sister, we are about to arrive. We are going back from Iceland to mainland. I hope that you enjoyed this. Some of the private ships also going. So this is the ferry. Yeah, maybe baby fell down. One of the baby. No, no problem. You don't cry. Beautiful scene. She fell down, and that's because of that. She's there. You see, from here, going very quickly from this side. Boats are coming. Some people using private boats. Stunning, beautiful waves. So you must get this ferry experience if you have time to come even in United States or Canada. You must come this Pacific Ocean ferry. another Iceland. Close up. Let you see, brother and sister, amazing this ferry is crossing by. This is the car, and that is the stunning, beautiful views of the harbor, which about to reach. Everywhere you see ships, boats. That's also ferry is coming. So there are big ferries and small ferries. See, now turning. So if it take turn, so it will make noise. Cargo ships. So when you have this type of beautiful, amazing really, because there are a lot of local people, so they always come, and so they don't just come out. They're on the very small decks. Wow, amazing, stunning, beautiful. This is the cars that people take, and I also taking my car with me. Let you see, brother and sister, amazing ferry experience. It's not going very fast, very slow motion, surrounding by beautiful and amazing surroundings. Hello. Yeah, you can pass by, no problem.
Yeah? Okay.
So it's about to reach. It's not taking a lot of time. So a lot of ferries going and coming. This is the beautiful Monday morning of 5th of August. Wow, amazing. When you are coming from Iceland, you will see the views from here. I'm just slowing motion showing you from the ferry all and everything moving. Wow, it's stunning, beautiful. This ferry is going. I'm also in this ferry to see that ferry to just moving to the harbor. Stunning, beautiful. See that ferry also. There's a lot of ferry here. Let you see brother and sister from the ferry terminal. We just going now back. This is the ferry terminal, and this is the just ferry is moving now. So we are now going back to the main island. This is also the morning views from that side. And this is the back side of island. Now you see it's a small ferry. It's not very big ferry, but see. Yeah. Stunning, beautiful. This ferry from here. A lot of
Have a nice time. Is it chill?
so just we about to leave. You see, it's moving now. Let you see the live sceneries of the ferry moving now. Hello. Wow. stunning, beautiful views of this morning. Cargo ships and also especially see the views from here. Stunning, beautiful view you see from here. So now we are going back to mainland. And if you see the beauty of this area, just see how water just moved when the ferries get started. So amazing, beautiful. Wow. Let I continue show you the boats in yachts and passing this small private boats. Yeah. Now it's heading to that's amazing harbors. Yeah, brother and sister, let you see the ferry inside. And that is the parking. It's almost now docking on the beautiful and amazing journey. I hope you liked, and I hope you share and subscribe my maximum video. There's more than 10,000 video. You'll never see any channel have such amazing sceneries. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Hello, brother and sister.
Continue straight onto Gabriola Ferry Term Road, then turn right onto Front Street.
Almost going back. Let I show you, brother and sister. I arrived on the ferry again, and I show you the scene of the morning. This is dog, beautiful dog, and this is the ferry down parking that you can use the car. This is the beautiful Iceland harbor, and that is the beautiful, yeah, that is all everything you will see. And I show you the another ferry is going from here. Wow, stunning, beautiful morning from this. That is little big ferry. Stunning, beautiful really from Iceland. This is the see almost now started. If you see the ferry from here, we are almost ready to go. Just I make last ferry before I go to my car. So that I show you, brother and sister, amazing docking of the live scene of ferry, and amazing and beautiful. Evening. This is the beautiful scene. See. It's almost they just preparing to go. Oh, this sunlight showing the okay, beautiful. It's now almost, will reach within a 2-3 minutes. You see live scene of this beautiful island will be arriving here. See, this is
All riders and ticket passengers, please return to your vehicles. You will find the stairwells at each corner of the ship.
yeah, maybe
To
they
reduce engine exhaust, please do not start your engine until after the ship docks. And vehicles in your lane are directed to begin offloading. Thank you for sailing with DC Ferry. We look forward to seeing you again.
this almost is now arrived. Yes, brother and sister are continuing from the different views. see snowy mountain, the Pacific Ocean, cargo ships. Let you see, brother and sister, the amazing beauty of this Pacific Ocean and amazing really sceneries that if you are in ferry you can see. Let I show you another amazing, exciting, Iceland tour and beauty of this evening. It will take me few hours to cover all the island. See, brother and sister, the amazing sceneries while on the ferry. Wow. You have this ferry now turning, Let I show you, brother and sister, the amazing yachts and ferries passing through this route. Amazing surrounding, and that you can see the ships. Wow, beautiful and amazing. See, this is Let I show you, brother and sister, the beautiful small ferry, amazing surrounding mountain, and you see the snowy mountain from ferry. It's amazing, stunning, beautiful. This is the city shore. full view of this is the ferry front view. What you see, brother and sister, is beauty of this area.
I think there were like additional like one of the small flag if they diverted them to the next stage.
Wow, amazing, brother and sister. Cargo ships, Pacific Ocean. Boats. This is a yacht.
Actually, this ferry doesn't have very big waves, does it? You know what, it's not going that fast.
Wow, so amazing.
Because it's an electric, it's using it. Oh, I think it just, yeah, it just, it uses electricity for half the way. So you can get
Wow, beautiful and amazing. Yeah, seen from here. See the beautiful mountain from the ferry and lot of ships, boats. Wow, amazing. This is the cargo ships. Yes, let I just show you live, brother and sister. Now ferry is about to leave. It's leaving. This is the car parking place, and that is going to reverse. Wow. Beautiful views from here. cargo ships. That is city view. See, presenting the beauty of this surrounding. Let us show you, brother and sister, the beautiful, amazing ferry drive ships. So amazing view. Let I show you, brother and sister, this beautiful ferry harbor views. We are just going for another island, which is few kilometers, and by the ship. This is the top. This is the inside view. For one sitting, this is the chairs. Brother and sister, let I share with you this discount card that if you want to use all British Columbia small ferries, you can get $120 this card. And this is only with the car at $20 you can have the return ticket, and you can have the beautiful view that which almost I am now living for the island. And this is the walking customer now. This is the small BC ferry.
I think they're all crying their eyes out. Look at all these
So
cars.
after few minutes it will, and you see the sitting benches for the all area, that if somebody want to go up, this is also sitting area. From here, beautiful views. Let I show you, brother and sister, the beautiful ferry. This scene has almost to leave from here, and it will take maybe more 10 minutes. Beautiful this area. This is the upper deck. Emergency boat. Let I show you, brother and sister, this is a small ferry we just park our car, and that is the parking further down, and this is the up view from the ferry. I think more than 50 or 60 cars, and this is ferry just from the one side, and I will show you the this is outside. You can sit, you can also, this is the house. Oh, good evening. Just I'm waiting for the waiting room for this Iceland, like Gabriola Iceland. That is now the ferry will come here, and this is the waiting room. That lot of ships and other also. If you see from here, so car waiting list. This is the car also. After 1 hour it will start, and this is the inside. Actually there is some information written here, so after maybe 30 minutes I will ride on ship with the car and show you the rest of part and everything. And if I want to open and show you the map, that you can see, this is the map, and that is the area that's clearly showing about this. Right. Now this ferry people are coming here from this area. This is the walking. Lot of space. Hello, good evening. Let I show you, brother and sister. This is the discount card for the BC ferry. If you want to come this island, you have to buy this $120 discount card with 40% discount. And we are waiting now for the ferry to go with the car.